Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products, delivering honest reviews with expert insight. Today, we're reviewing the Master Massage Coronado Portable Massage Table Pro Package, an adjustable, luxurious portable massage table that promises comfort, durability, and portability for professionals on the go. This review will explore everything from its features to real-world usability, so let's get into it. The Master Massage Coronado Portable Massage Table is designed for professionals who need reliable equipment that combines comfort, convenience, and durability. It boasts a working capacity of 750 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of clients. The table's height is adjustable from 24 inches to 34-inch tray, allowing for ergonomic flexibility, and it features luxurious 3-inch foam cushioning to ensure comfort during long sessions. The European beechwood frame provides the sturdiness you need, while the PU upholstery offers easy cleaning and a smooth, high-end feel. Incorporating this table into your routine is as seamless as you can imagine. For someone who's used different massage tables over the years, this one stands out in terms of adjustability and comfort. Whether you're adjusting the height or using the face cradle, you feel the quality and attention to detail. Setting it up took less than 10 minutes, and the lightweight design makes it easy to move from space to space, perfect for those who need a table that's both sturdy and portable. I also appreciate the deluxe carrying case, which ensures everything stays secure while you're on the move. After using the Coronado for a couple of weeks, I can confidently say it performs well under various conditions. The foam cushioning is significantly denser than what you typically find in portable massage tables. It doesn't flatten out after a few uses, and memory foam face pillow really enhances the experience, giving clients that extra touch of luxury. The extra wide tabletop makes it easy to work around, and the ample space is particularly appreciated when working on larger clients. If you're planning to use it for long hours, you'll also appreciate the adjustable height, as it makes it much easier to switch between different angles. Now, let's break it down a bit. The pros include the sturdy, high-quality build, particularly the European beechwood frame, which feels solid and secure. The luxury cushioning is another standout, making clients feel supported, and it holds up well even with multiple uses. The adjustable height is a real bonus for reducing strain on your back, and the added accessories, from the face cradle to the arm shelf, are thoughtful additions that elevate the overall experience. On the other hand, the cons are few but worth mentioning. While the table is lightweight for its size, it's not quite as compact as other travel tables, so if you're looking for something more streamlined, this may feel a bit bulkier to carry. The PU upholstery looks great, but might show signs of wear over time, especially with constant movement or exposure to the elements. But in terms of functionality, the materials hold up well to frequent use. Let's talk about value for money. Given the quality construction, adjustability, and luxury cushioning, this table is priced competitively for a high-end portable massage bed. When compared to other options in the market, the Master Massage Coronado holds its ground, especially if you're in need of something durable that can handle heavy use. While there are cheaper options available, none seem to offer the same level of comfort and design flexibility at this price point. In terms of build quality, this table is top-notch. The European beechwood frame is not only durable, but also provides that sturdy, non-wobbly feel that's essential for a professional-grade massage table. The reinforced backing adds extra durability, ensuring that the table will last through many sessions. As for longevity, the luxury foam cushioning is resistant to compression, so you won't be dealing with flattening over time. With regular care, the Master Massage Coronado is built to last for years. If you've had a chance to interact with customer support, you'll be pleased to know that Master Massage is known for offering reliable customer service. They're responsive and professional, which is always a nice touch when investing in something that will be a core part of your business. Let's wrap this up. The Master Massage Coronado Portable Massage Table Pro Package is a fantastic choice for massage professionals who need a high-quality, durable, and adjustable massage table that offers exceptional comfort and versatility. Whether you're working in a clinic, offering home visits, or setting up at a salon, this table provides everything you need for a comfortable and professional setup. So, does this table live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a luxurious yet practical choice for any serious massage therapist looking for top-tier performance. If you're looking for a high-end, long-lasting massage table that can be used in various settings, the Coronado Pro package is an excellent investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've tried the Master Massage Coronado, drop a comment below and let us know what your experience has been. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.